Since they're on Christmas, let's make some miniature gifts. Here's the printable. There's actually a link in the description box for this, and you can also cut out all of these to start making them. Now I'm going to fold along the dotted lines. I'm going to take a glue stick and put it on these tabs at the bottom here. And I'm going to fold it at the bottom like this so that it becomes one piece. And also the side tab. I'm going to fold the side pieces inward like this so that it looks more like a shopping bag. Now I have this little mini hole puncher. I'm going to punch 2 holes in the front like this. And also 2 holes in the back. Now I take a piece of embroidery floss and I'm going to tie a knot at the end of it like this. And then I'm going to feed it through the hole on the front. You can add a little gift inside if you want. And some tissue paper. Make the others the same way. Now let's make a little box. First I took a piece of paperboard and I printed out a pattern on some paper. I'm going to cover the piece of paperboard in the pattern paper. Next I'm going to curve this slightly of the whole thing. And glue it together in the back. Then I take another piece of paperboard and then I'm going to trace the top of this so that I get the same circle shape, and then cut this out. Also glue on a strip of paper around the bottom, and then I'm going to cover this in different paper to make a lid that will fit. Next I'm going to take this little golden ribbon and tie it around the box so that it'll look fancy. To make a bunch of cute little gifts for your dolls. These will be perfect in their house for around the holidays, and it'll also look cute for any time if they went shopping. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us what you thought and what kind of videos you want to see. Also follow us on Instagram. See you next time!
I have to hide these gifts so Nick doesn't go looking for them.
Even if he finds it, there's a failsafe.
Good. That's too obvious. Jackpot! Oh. Sabine knew I'd go looking for the gifts and she rigged it up with paint.
You have to try harder than that, Nick.